So if you've created your blog or whatever you're creating, your bio link in Systeme.io, go back to your Systeme.io account, your main account where it says settings, and go down to the left here, it says custom domains. You will notice something called Favicon or Favicon. It's just a little picture that shows up, you'll see in your address bar here. Like when I've already uploaded the one for We Will Survive This, like up here in my address bar, there it is. We Will Survive This. It says W. I'm going to show you how to create this in Canva. There is a free Canva template below this video if you'd like to use that. But if not, and I'll go over that at the end, but if not, we're going to start from scratch here. Go up here in the right hand corner, it says create a design, this purple button, and go to custom size. Systeme.io wants it to be at least 32 by 32, but Canva has a minimum of 40 by 40 pixels. So we're going to go 40 by 40, create new design. Starting with a blank canvas, just add text, and it's whatever you want to add. I usually just start with whatever I have up here, and you can always change it. I'm going to create it for an account, a website that starts with R. That is not the font I want to use. That's not going to stand out very well at that small size. So you just need to pick a good bold font. Don't stress over the font too much because other fonts on your site might be more important, honestly. This just needs to show up in the address bar. Systeme.io wants it to be in PNG format, so just keep it right here at 40 by 40 pixels, download. And I'm going to upload my icon. And there it is. And it's all saved. Now it might take a minute for it to work through the system. And I know if I go to Rich Sales Funnels right now, it's not going to be there yet because I haven't really done anything with the website. But don't worry, it will show up. If it's here saved in your Systeme.io settings, it's going to show up. So that's how you upload your Favicon. If you want to use my free Canva template, go to the link below this video, just click on it, and this screen will pop up. It'll say a template created by access. Your purchase was shared with you. Start designing it now. Just click use template. Now if you're using the free version, you might be a little limited. It says copy up. You can save it as something else. It's fine. What I did was I just gave a bunch of options here. Now if you have the pro account, some of these can be downloaded as a transparent background, not to overwhelm you with decisions, or you can just download it as is. Now any one of these, these are just options. It's not you don't have to use any of these, or you can use something completely different. It's just mainly if you didn't want to resize yourself. Change this to anything you want. Change it to a number, whatever works for you. And I just give you some options here. You can always change the background color. That doesn't have to be orange. It can be whatever you want. You can change the font color and the background color. Just click on the background and change the color, and click on the text and you can change that color as well. It's whatever you want to change it to. And in the free account, in the free Canva account, when you download, remember to download these as PNG files. Like I said, it won't let you do transparent background. You don't have to download all these files. When you just pick the one you want, and you can even delete these files if you don't want them. Just pick the one that you want to download, the one that you changed, whichever one that is. Download it and upload it to Systeme.io. That is your Favicon.